Alright, y'all. Well, we're going to try some chili cooked on a Blackstone. Actually cooked on the Blackstone, not a skillet or a pan pot. So, first off, we're going to put a little oil down. And we're going to start cooking our beef. And all I did to this so far was I added a little bit of salt and pepper to it, and a little bit of mustard and Worcestershire. And you're gonna say mustard and chili, and yes, mustard and chili. I've had it before like that, so it does give it that little added flavor. So I'm just gonna cook this up for a little bit. Get it browned up. And I like to, as I'm cooking the meat, I like to kind of break it up. That way it's got some small pieces. I don't like really chunky pieces of ground beef in my chili. And especially we're going to use this chili in hot dogs, so you don't want big chunks of meat in your hot dogs on top of your hot dog. Alright, we're about halfway through cooking the ground beef, and now I'm going to add the onion and all the spices. It's going to be chili powder, cumin, a little paprika. Actually, I think that was red pepper. And then paprika, smoked paprika. And we're gonna mix that around. Get it all the spices incorporated into it. And the reason why I like to add them halfway through the cooking of the meat, that way you know for sure, because once you add the paprika and red pepper, the ground beef will get kind of reddish color. So some people don't know, you know, whenever you get to this point, if the ground beef is done or not. So just like that. Now we'll let that finish cooking, get that ground beef all cooked, and then we'll come back and add the tomatoes. Alright, it's time to add the tomatoes, and just add a whole can of petite dice, and then give that a mix. Alright, y'all. So what I'm going to do here at this point, pretty much chili's made already. And then just going to let it cook, you know. Let it sit here and cook. And come back every once in a while. And give it a turn. Mix it up. But pretty much, that's chili on the Blackstone. wanted to come back and tell y'all that this is a 36-inch Blackstone, and what I did was I turned the 2 right burners off, and then I have the 2 left burners on about medium. That way it's not direct heat right over the flame, so this chili can just sit here and simmer. And I'll probably let it sit here and simmer for, I don't know, about 30-45 minutes to an hour. Get all the flavors incorporated into it, and go from there. So like I said, we're gonna have chili dogs tonight, so I'll come back when I put the hot dogs on. So we'll be back. Alright, as I'm flipping this, I'm pushing it over a little bit, and then kind of sliding that excess grease out of the way there. And then just kind of flipping it. And basically all we're doing right at this point is simmering the chili to incorporate all the flavors. That's pretty much where we're at this step. Keep this process up for, like I said, I don't know, probably, 30-45 minutes to an hour, somewhere around in there. Just people say that chili doesn't incorporate if you cook it 30 minutes or less. I have cooked chili in 30 minutes or less, and the flavors were all there. It didn't taste bland, so, you know. It's totally up to you, whatever you think. We're going to taste this. To be totally honest with everybody, I've never seen chili cooked straight on the Blackstone before, so it's kind of interesting to see this process. They've always cooked it on the Blackstone, like in a pot or a skillet or something, but never directly on the Blackstone. So this is all a new experience for, I think, everybody. But it might have been done, I just haven't seen it, so I figured I'd give it a try and see what happens. So far, I think it's turning out pretty damn good. So we're going to continue to simmer this chili, and we'll be back. Alright, y'all. Well, it's time to throw some hot dogs on. And, ooh, that's hot. Give this chili a stir. Looking pretty good, actually. All right, y'all. Well, it is time to eat. Chili's done, hot dogs are done, so let's do this. All right, y'all.
All right, y'all.
All right, y'all. It's time to taste test this chili.
It's time to taste it.
I think I want to taste it just to see what it tastes like before I get it on the hot dogs.
What do you think?
I think it's pretty damn good.
It's pretty good.
It's got a more drier consistency than regular chili.
Yes, the drier consistency.
But the flavor is pretty tasty, I think. What do you think?
That's good. I like it.
Yeah, I'm gonna dig into my dog.
You're gonna put all that in your mouth?
Yeah.
Go for it. And that's a mess. I'm gonna do this like this.
Wow.
And
That makes a good chili dog. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That makes a good chili dog.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, mouthful. But like I was telling you before, I've never seen anybody cook on the chili on the Blackstone itself. Now in a pot or a skillet or something, but never directly on the Blackstone. There might have been people that's done it. I've just never seen any videos like that. So I figured, you know, why not give it a try? And
Good try. Good try.
it's definitely worked out. Definitely worked out. So your thoughts now, since your mouth is empty.
Very good stuff.
You like it?
Yeah, the only thing that's weird to me is that it is the dry.
The dryer.
I don't know that I like that.
Now, if it didn't simmer it as long, it wouldn't be as dry. Because the more it simmers, the more the basically the grease.
See, I was thinking it needs more tomato and stuff.
We could put some more sauce in there too.
But then it would make it too liquidy.
Right. So
It's good, don't even
we'll have to play around with it because, like I said, this is the first time I ever cooked like this. So, but all in all, for the first time,
You didn't see this on none of your
pretty
people's?
good. No, I've not
Now
seen
I'm
it.
scared. This is your own original idea, so you think.
Right, I think so. I've never seen it. It's either been in a pot or a skillet. Never seen it in a just straight on the Blackstone itself.
Very interesting.
Any thoughts? Any last thoughts?
Let's dig in. So, you know what that means.
It definitely makes a good chili dog though.
It's different because of the consistency.
The texture.
Mm.
All right. So,
Please remember to like, share,
subscribe,
and hit the bell
ding, 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 ding,
for future notifications.
and we'll be back.
Thanks, guys.